Productivity is turning a bunch of tasks into clear, organized results with the time and energy you have. But sometimes it's not you, it's your computer. Here are 3 things that can secretly kill your productivity. Your desktop. Instead of staring at a screen full of random files, I like to keep it clean. One quick trick is simple. Right-click, go to View, and hide desktop icons. Instantly, less distraction. Your browser. 20 tabs open makes your computer and your brain feel overloaded. That's why I group tabs together. It keeps everything organized without closing what I need. Notifications. Every ping pulls you out of focus. I prefer my screen to be empty, no pop-ups, no distractions, so I can fully focus on what I'm doing. So here's the fix.
Deploying flashbang.